Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 29. The interior angles of a quadrilateral are x plus 15 degree, 2x minus 45 degree in brackets, x minus 30 degree in brackets, and x plus 10 degree. Now we are asked to find the value of the least interior angle. Value of the least interior angle. Now before we can find the value of the least interior angle, we have to find the value of x first of all. When we find the value of x, then we can find the value of the least interior angle. Now for us to do this, we know that sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral, since these angles are 4, which is 1 2 3 4, that means this shape is a quadrilateral. Now sum of interior angles, sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral, like a square. I'm not saying this is a square, I'm just saying a quadrilateral. I'm giving an example like a square is equal to 360 degree. So from this we can deduce that x plus 15 plus 2x minus 45 plus x minus 30 plus x plus 10 is equals to what? Is equals to 360 degree. Now from this we have x plus 2x, which is 3x, plus x, 4x plus x, 5x. We have 5x. Now looking at this, we have we have 15 plus 15 minus 45 will give us minus 30, minus 30, minus 30 minus 30 will give us minus 60, plus 10 will give us minus 50 is equals to 360. From this we have that 5x is equals to 410, because this minus 15 will come here to become plus 50. So to get value of x, we simply divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 5. This 5 will cancel 5 here 1, 5 in 410 is equals to 82. So that means x is equals to 82 degree. So the value of x is 82 degree. Now we're now asked to find the value of the least interior angle, and looking at this, the least interior angle here is x minus 30. Least interior angle, the least interior angle is equals to x minus 30 degree. So this is equals to 82 minus 30 degree, and that is equals to 52 degree, which is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. That is the least interior angle. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.